Hello YouTubers, thank you for joining Boat Time with Kerry. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get a simple gel coat repair done on your boat. So thank you and stay tuned. As you see guys, we have the gel coat damage on the swim platform. Before we do any form of grinding or sanding, we're going to go ahead and bag off our repair so we don't mess up the deck. The tools that you need for today to get this job started: some masking paper, 2-inch tape, a pound of rags, lacquer thinner, or you can use acetone. I made myself some gel coat patch to spread on my repair, some Duratec, the gel coat that you need to spray on your repair, gloves, sanding paper. I'm using 400 and 600 today, spreader, stir stick, and your pre-valve spray system. That's the tool you need today. And don't forget guys, your MEK, that's for your hardener to put in your gel coat and your gel coat patch. After you're done, get all your gel coat items together. I'm going to go ahead and sand inside the repair with some 320 grit sandpaper, and then after I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and sand the whole perimeter so I can do my gel coat blend. You can use 600 to do your gel coat blend with, but I found out when I use the 600 to sand my area with, after I'm done and wet sand, it still end up flaking. That's why guys, I use 320 to do my gel coat blend with. After I'm done with my prepper, I went ahead and used some lacquer thinner to clean my area. If you have acetone, you can go ahead and use acetone. I got myself some gel coat patch that I made from Capasil and gel coat and a little bit of Duratec. I put on a piece of cardboard so I could even it out, or I could get it to spread a little bit better and mix it inside the pot. So I'm going to go ahead and spread it on my repair. Make sure guys you mix it up. And make sure guys you don't forget to add your MEK to it, because if you don't add your MEK to it, it will not dry at all. After I mix my MEK inside my paste, I went ahead and applied to my repair area. After I apply my paste to my repair, it's time to go ahead and spray your gel coat. To get my gel coat to spray to the pre-valve, I went ahead and add some Duratec to it to thin it out to get it to spray. Hey guys, if you found this video very helpful, please go ahead to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I apply at least 3 to 4 coats on my repair, so when I'm ready to wet sand, I don't burn through. After my gel coat is dry and ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and use some Gelcoat to wet sand my repair so I can see where my blend ends and where I stop spraying my gel coat at. For your next step, you are going to need 600 grit sandpaper. That is 600 is to knock down to blend in your gel coat. For the heavy stuff, you're going to need some 320 to block it down with. Then a sanding block that to help you get your gel coat straight. Then sand. Always remember guys, to use a sanding block to get your repair straight. After you're done blocking with your 320, it's time to go ahead and die coat it again so you can sand it with 600 grit sandpaper, wet and dry paper. So I am using 600 to blend in my repairs with. I like to use my sanding block so I can get everything nice and straight. And if you want to get a less grit sandpaper when you're buffing up, you can use 1200 grit sandpaper or 1000. The next item you're going to need is a buffer and some compound, and then begin to buff your repair. For my compound I'm using today is a 3M medium grit compound that could buff out 600 sandpaper marks. After you're done buffing out your repair, don't forget guys to always wax your repairs so it will give it the better look and it will make it last longer. Alright guys, this is my final look. It came out well. I love how it looks. Shiny, you can see everything, you can see your next boat next door. Thank you for liking and watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, have a great day. See you.